starting geometrical construction. In this geometrical construction, the first type of the construction under this lesson is the construction of two similar triangles. Now I am telling the meaning of similar triangle. Similar means the geometrical figures which are looking same. Same means their shapes are same but the sizes are different. So here the meaning of similar triangle, I am giving meaning of similar triangle. The triangle whose corresponding angles are congruent but corresponding sides are in proportion. So the corresponding sides and proportions means one of the side of the triangles ratios are given to construct these types of the similar triangles construction. I am writing one example to illustrate this type of the first type of construction. In this example, we are going to construct two similar triangles. The name of the triangles are triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In these two triangles, no vertices are matched. The name of the first triangle is ABC and the name of the second triangle is PQR. So vertices are different. So these two triangles are given similar. Similar means their sides are in proportional. So this A vertex is corresponds to P vertex, B vertex is corresponds to Q vertex, and C vertex is corresponds to R vertex. So these three vertices are corresponding with each other and the ratio of AB upon PQ is given in the question 2/3. So since the triangles are similar, so their each ratios are equal. Therefore, first we write down the similar triangles name. ABC triangle is similar to PQR. Now this is given. Triangles are already given similar, so there is no need to prove the triangle to be similar. Directly we can take the ratio. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. is equal to AC upon PR equal to 2 upon 3. Now all the three ratios are 2 upon 3 since the triangles are similar. Now in the example, the length of the triangle ABC are given. Length AB is 3.6, length BC is 4.4 centimeter and length AC is given 4.2 centimeter. From these lengths, let's find out the lengths of the other triangle PQR by substituting the values of length of the triangle ABC in the similarity. Let's find out the length of the triangle PQR by taking the each ratio. AB upon PQ is equal to 2 upon 3. BC upon QR equal to also 2 upon 3 and AC upon PR equal to 2 upon 3. Now we are already having the lengths of triangle ABC. AB length is given 3.6. So now put the length 3.6 upon PQ is equal to 2 upon 3. Length BC is 4 upon QR is equal to 2 upon 3 and 4.2 upon PR is equal to also 2 upon 3. Now you can find out by cross multiplication. 3 multiplied by 3.6 is equal to 2 multiplied by PQ. So length of PQ is equal to 5.4 centimeter. Similarly, 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by QR. So QR length is 6 centimeter and 4.2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by PR. Therefore, PR length is 6.3 centimeter. Now we are having both the triangles length. ABC triangle length is already given in the question and just now we find all the three lengths of the triangle PQR. Now let's start the construction. Now to construct the triangle, take out your compass box and use the geometrical instruments to draw the triangles. So first triangle ABC lengths are given. So select any side as a base. So let's draw the side A having all the lengths of two triangles. Now start the construction. Draw triangle ABC by selecting AB as a base. AB 3.6 centimeter. Draw length AB 3.6 centimeter. Then take 4 centimeter distance in compass. Put on vertex B and draw the arc. Then take 4.2 centimeter distance in compass. Put the compass pointer on A and draw the intersection arc. Where these two arcs intersect, that is our point C. The join AC and BC. This is the required ABC triangle. Similarly, draw the triangle PQR. Selecting PQ length 5.4 centimeter. Take 6 centimeter distance in compass. Put the compass pointer on Q. Draw the arc. Then take again 6.3 centimeter distance in compass. Put the compass pointer on P and draw the intersection arc. Where these two arcs intersect, that is our point R. Join PR and QR. So these are the two required similar triangles whose lengths are in proportion. So in this way we can draw the two similar triangles by